Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Chime Credit Builder. This innovative card is designed to help you establish or improve your credit score without the typical hurdles. It's a secured Visa credit card, meaning you use your own funds to secure your spending limit. A major advantage is that there's no credit check required to apply, making it a great option for those new to credit or looking to rebuild. We'll dive into how it works and what makes it a unique tool for financial growth. Using the Chime Credit Builder is straightforward. First, you move money from your Chime checking account into your dedicated Credit Builder secured account. This amount becomes your spending limit. You can then use the card for all your daily purchases, just like any other Visa card. Crucially, Chime reports your consistent, on-time payments to all three major credit bureaus. For added peace of mind, the safer credit building feature ensures your balance is automatically paid each month, helping you build positive payment history effortlessly. The Chime Credit Builder offers several compelling benefits. You'll appreciate that there are no annual fees, no interest charges, and no traditional security deposit needed to get started. Unlike many cards, it doesn't report credit utilization, which can be a significant advantage for your credit score. Many members have experienced an average FICO score increase of 30 points within approximately 8 months. Plus, you get the convenience of fee-free cash withdrawals at over 60,000 in network ATMs. While beneficial, there are a few important considerations for the Chime Credit Builder. You must have a Chime checking account and set up a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200 to be eligible. It's also important to note that there isn't an upgrade path to an unsecured credit card within Chime. Additionally, this card does not offer a traditional rewards program for your purchases. Therefore, it's primarily suited for individuals focused on building or rebuilding their credit, rather than those seeking rewards or an upgrade path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.